Wall and floor integrated machine installation video. Check product accessories first. Packaging integrity. Cleaning fluid 5 bottles of ink. Moisturizing liquid insulating glue. Fixed accessories 2 kits. Ink absorber power cord. And inner hexagonal screwdriver, tape measure and other installation tools. Computer. Wall printing auxiliary bracket. Ground rail bracket. Vertical rail support frame. And printing truck. This printer is divided into 2 types, wall printing and floor printing. Please see the progress bar adjustment below. Ground printing. Fix the print bracket on the slide rail. Prevent slipping during transportation. Remove the cable and secure the print head. Prevent the floor from scratching the print head. Place the printing bracket on the pallet. Be careful to pull out the belt. Install the second section of track. Pay attention to the arrow marks on the track. After installing the fixed steel bars on both sides of the track. Remove the tail baffle of the third track. Installed on section 2. Note that we do this because printing space is limited indoors. If you are outdoors or want to print a larger area, directly connect to the third track. Pay attention to the direction of the baffle after installation. Fix the belt roller on the fender. Stand the print track up. Check whether the track you just fixed is flat. Tighten the adjustment rail screws in sequence. Loosen the belt clamp. After tightening the belt, tighten the belt clamp. Put on the cart. Tighten the set screws at the connection. After fixation is completed, loosen the angle fixing screws. Adjust to 90 degrees and tighten. Be careful not to let the print head come into contact with the ground. Scratch the print head. Fix the print head to prevent grounding. Organize multiple belts. Pay attention to the direction of the ink cartridge. To dismantle and switch in the wall mode. So during the printer installation process, to tighten the cartridge cap. First connect the fiber to the host. Note that corresponding to 1 and 2. Then plug in the cable. Pay attention to the hole position of the cable interface. They are all different. Be careful not to insert the wrong ones. Plug in the power cord. Remove the screwdriver that prevents the print head from sliding. Check whether the limiter is parallel to the machine. If the limiting iron piece, if bending occurs, please adjust it manually. After checking, press start. The machine will self-check, sensing the limiter print head will stop moving. Let's start debugging the print head. First lower the print head off the ground, about a finger width apart. Press and hold for 3 seconds to save manually. Set this distance. Press the auto button. Turn on distance sensor. Test distance sensor. Is it working properly? Pay attention to this step. It is necessary to prevent uneven ground. Scratch the print head. Open Beta Printer.
Left and right test tracks for anomalies.
While printing tutorial, pay attention to check whether all ink cartridge caps are tightened. Remove a few screws from the grounding mold. Unscrew and remove the screws on the outer L-shaped fixing plate. Then fixed. Then put up the track. Fix the screws after fixing the screw holes. Install inclined support bracket. Align the upper holes first. Tighten the screws first down and then up. Loosen the screw that adjusts the print head direction. Loosen the screw of the retractable print head. Rotate to 180 degrees to fix. Check if it is tight. Mobile ink cartridges. Check sensor. Trackless printing debugging. The distance between the two sides is 28 centimeters. Push the print head about 3 mm away from the wall. Then press and hold for 3 seconds to save. Click Automatic. Check whether it is normal to open the distance sensor. Pay attention to this step. It is necessary to prevent uneven ground. Scratch the print head. Install assembled track. Check whether the track is level. If it is not level, please adjust the height. Place the printing cart on the track. Place the printing cart on the track. Move the cart left or right to adjust the position of the cart. Check if blocked. Tracks and walls. The distance between the two sides is 26 centimeters. Press the forward key. Push the print head about 3 mm away from the wall. Then press and hold for 3 seconds to save. Click Automatic. Check whether it is normal to open the distance sensor. Pay attention to this step. It is necessary to prevent uneven ground. Open the software. Move the print head up, down, left, and right. Check if there are any abnormal noises. The printer installation and debugging process has ended. Inking and printing tutorials. Please see the printer manual.